French people don't just speak with words, they speak with their hands. And if you don't know the code, you might miss a lot. Today I'll show you 5 French body language secrets that you'll actually see in everyday life. First up, the thumb in the mouth, which looks like this. If you see anybody doing that with their hands, that means that they're referring to drinking a beverage, any kind of beverage. And you'll see it when friends are making plans to go out for wine, beer, or just a night out. It's quick, it's subtle, and if you know it, you're instantly in on the plan. Next, this one is sneaky. It's the finger under the nose, which looks like this. It's not about a mustache. It actually means something is fancy, classy, or high society. Imagine someone showing off a luxury watch and their friend does this. It's like saying, ooh, très chic. If you're enjoying learning about the secret parts of the French language, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Number 3. Here is a modern one. Rapper Jewel made this gesture famous, and now you'll see teens and young people across France doing it. It's less about body language tradition and more about pop culture. But if you spend time in France, you'll definitely run into it. Number 4, pointing at the eye, like this. Pointing at the eye is universal in some ways, but in France, it's strong. It means I'm watching you. Parents use it with kids, friends use it jokingly, and sometimes it's dead serious. It's one gesture you don't want directed at you for the wrong reason. Finally, the counting trick. In English-speaking countries, we usually start with the index finger. 1, 2, 3. In France, you start with the thumb. So holding up one finger with your thumb means 1, and then 2, like this. Alright, that's 5 secrets of French body language. Now that you know more about the secret parts of the French language, go ahead and check out some of my other French lessons in this playlist on screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.